Suppose how's it going? This is Abhijit here, and welcome to Devops Challenge Hub. Let's start with today's interview questions. And today's interview questions is provide high-level steps to configure Amazon SES. So Amazon SES, if you go to the dashboard Amazon SES, and you will see that uh, to send email, like you will be, let's say, like I have Devops Challenge Hub. Let's say I have a domain Devops Challenge Hub, okay, and I want to send out email from support at Devops Challenge Hub, and I won't be sending it manually because some system goes down, automatically it should be able to send out email from support at devopschallengehub.com. Or if I want to send from my email, let's say visit at devopschallenge. So what I can do, I can add my email address and I can verify. I will get some link and then I can click on that link and verify. That means I'm allowing Amazon to send email from my account. Similarly, you can do it from the domain. Okay? Like instead of adding one email by email, support at this divorce challenge, visit at divorce challenge, something at divorce challenge, you can add the whole domain and then verify the ownership of the domain. Once you do that, you will be able to send out the email. Okay. So what are the steps involved? First, you have to choose a region because it's a region specific. Here you can choose a region. It's a region specific. Then verify identity. You have to verify the identity. So SES only allows sending from verified domains or email address. These are the two options: verified domain or email address. After region, we choose verified domain or email address. So domain or email address we have to verify. So for verified domain, allow sending from any email under that domain. From any email, start at mycompany.com, you'll be able to send email or verify individual email useful for testing purpose. And AWS gives you DNS record and you add to your domain DNS. Okay. So and that way verification happens. And then set up authentication optional but recommended. This will increase deliverability. Email won't go to the spam folder. And then move out of the sandbox. So by default, it's a sandbox environment. Then you have to apply for that, right? Like by default, mine is also under sandbox environment. Okay. And you can only send to verified email address. From sandbox environment, you can send only to verified email address. Daily sending limits are very low. To send to real customers, submit a request to AWS support to move out of sandbox environment. And then configure sending method, whether SMTP interface, like then you can connect app with SMTP credential from SES or through command line AWS CDK REPay you want to send, integration with AWS service, how you want to send it through Lambda, SNS, CloudWatch, mostly like you do what you want to send through Lambda, CloudWatch, SNS, etc. Right? Alert you want to send out. And then you test the email. So the other steps. First, you check the region, then verify that you are allowed to send from the domain or that email address. Then set up the authentication method. It's optional but not recommended. Then request to submit a request to AWS support. So move out of sandbox and then configure method from which interface you want to send. Most probably you want to integrate with AWS other service like from Lambda you want to send or SNS topic you want to send, right? SNS topic. We have seen that topic. There are different topics, and you can create a subscription. Email can be registered under that, and then you send your emails. So that's it. And then you can monitor and scale. Use CloudWatch metrics to monitor bounce rate, complaint rate, delivery success that you can monitor. And optionally configure to SNS topic to capture bounce complaint feedback. If mail is bouncing, right, that you'll be able to capture. So pick a region, verify domain email, add DNS record, move out of sandbox, configure sending method, SMTP API SDK, then test send and monitor and handle bounces. So these are the 7 steps you can configure SES. So now let's go to the quiz section. You can pause the video, try to answer. Why do you need to choose a region when configure Amazon SES? Because SES is region specific. So you must pick region for closest to your user infrastructure. What must you verify before sending emails with SES? You have to verify your domain or email address. Answer is C. Why is domain verification recommended over individual email verification? Domain verification, it will allow emails from any address under that domain. Any address under that domain. Right? You can send email from any address under that domain. So answer is B. So that's it for today. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also follow my page LinkedIn, Devops Challenge Hub on LinkedIn. I post quiz contests daily on that page, and you can also participate. And I also have WhatsApp communities where I post daily job updates and different tips on interview and events. So thank you for watching this video and see you again in the next video.